I'm gonna be installing the wiring for my fog lights, which are this one right here. I'm not gonna do a whole video doing everything, but I'm gonna show you the end result and talk about it. So these two right here go in the front to the fog lights. Then you come over here. This thing right here is the switch, and it comes from brackets, so I gotta look and see where I'm gonna mount it. Then it has these three wires right here. This one right here goes to the positive side of the battery. This is ground, so it goes to the negative. And this one goes to, you can tap a fuse, and it goes to one where when you turn on the motorcycle, it has power. And when you turn off the motorcycle, it has no power, right? So it's gonna turn on with the motorcycle and turn off when you turn off the motorcycle. I did buy something else that's kind of like a Thunderbox that I'm gonna be installing, so I'm not gonna finish the whole wiring today. I'm just gonna install everything, run the cables and whatever, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it. So to connect this, as you can see, it has arrows. Just make sure they line up and it goes in. It won't go in any other way anyway, since it has this little thing that it has to go in. So once it goes all the way in, grab this and make this tight. It's not coming off no more. Do the same on the other side. All right guys, I finally did the wiring, and I'm gonna show you the best possible way that I at least think it is. I had to do this 3 to 4 times, and it was a pain in the butt, but I finally got it. This is the best spot. So let me start from the beginning. I know it's dirty, I'm sorry, haven't had time to watch my motorcycle and detail it, but anyways, so I run the cable right here, and you start from this. You start right here on the bottom, it goes through here, and then it's gonna go right here on the bottom. Then the wire is gonna go all the way inside right there, all the way to here. And then the connector, I popped it out so I can connect the connector. Once I made it all tight, I push it back in, and it's in there, but I can't show you, but it's in there. All I did was I pushed this with my hand, my finger down, so I can pass the connector. But if you want to, you can remove this right here. You can remove it. I didn't, but you can, to make it easier for you. And let me show you the other side. This side is pretty much the same thing. The other cable for the fog light, I run it through here inside, and it's this one right here. And then I passed it on top, and it's this one right here, all the way to here. And then again, I press down, pass the connector through, I connect them, made it tight, and then push it back in there again, as you can see. And this is how it looks from the front. The wiring, it goes through here, this one goes through there. Now all I gotta do is connect this, but like I said, I have another thing that's like a Thunderbox that I have to plug in. So I'm gonna clean all of this, install that, and then install the wiring, and I'm gonna do all that. This is the switch to turn on and off the fog lights, and it has other functions. The one I'm using is gonna be this one. It's gonna go on the handlebar, and as you can see, it's kind of molded to it. So to run this cable, I pretty much started from here. This is where I'm gonna run this cable. Ran it through here, and then all the way right here, right, all the way right there. I had to remove this bolts so I can put this through here. So I moved it a little over there, that way, pass it through here. Then down here, this is the cable right here, and this is where it's gonna connect to the box, that box right there. And you're gonna have a lot of slack. As you can see, it's pretty long cable. So what you could do is just hide it somewhere in here.